Welcome back, myself Azimuddin from Gasol Education, and guys, in this video I'm gonna give you the solution of chapter number 3, Swami's Night Alone. So without any further ado, let's dip into the topic. In the meanwhile, I would like to tell you that there is an option of captions on YouTube screen itself. If you want to see the answers on the screen, turn the captions on and then you will be able to see everything I speak on the screen itself. And now let's start with question number A. Very short answer type questions, and the first question is, where did father ask Swami to sleep at that night? Okay, and the answer is, father asked Swami to sleep in his office room that night. Question number 2, why could Swami not keep a light burning? And the answer is, Swami could not keep a light burning because his father told him that he must learn not to be afraid of darkness. Question number 3, why could Swami hardly breathe? And the answer is, Swami had covered himself so completely to shut away all the noises around him that he could hardly breathe. Question number 4, why did he expect to carry him away? And the answer is, Swami expected the devils to come up and carry him away any moment. Question number 5, which place did Swami think was safer? And the answer is, Swami thought that it was safer to sleep under the bench as it would be more compact and reassuring. Now let's talk about question number B, which is short answer type questions, and the very first question is, why did Swami feel angry? And the answer is, Swami felt angry because his father threatened him that if he rolled up his bed and went to his granny's side at night, he would make him the laughing stock of his school. Question number 2, why did Swami keep expecting the devil to come and carry him away? And the answer is, Swami remembered all the stories of devils and ghosts he had heard, especially related to his friends Mani, M-A-N-I, and Munisami's father, Munisami', Munisami's father, had spat blood, S-P-A-T, spat blood, because the devil had slapped his face. So he expected the devil to come and carry him away any moment. Question number 3, why did he sleep under the bench? And the answer is, he slept under the bench because he thought it was the safest place. It was comfortable, compact, and reassuring to him. Question number 4, why did his friends treat him with respect the next day? And the answer is, his friends treated him with respect the next day because he had caught one of the notorious housebreakers of the district. Full stop. Next question, what did Swami do the next evening? And the answer is, the next evening Swami went to sleep at 7:30 itself before his father returned home. He was sleeping next to his grandmother as usual. Now question number C are long answer type questions, and I will show you the long answers on the screen later on, so keep watching this video till end. And now question D, which is extract based question. This is basically the extract and these are the questions. So very first question is, who said this and to whom? And your answer is, father said this to Swami. Question number B, why did the speaker say it? And your answer is, the speaker said this to warn Swami that if he dared to roll up his bed and go to his granny's side at night, he would make him the object of he would make him the laughing stock of the school. Now let's talk about question number C, and it is, what was the speaker trying to do to the listener? And the answer is, the speaker was trying to threaten, threaten the listener so that he did not try escaping, escaping from the office room at night. Now let's talk about question number 2. Something has bitten me, and the very first answer, who or what had bitten the speaker? And the answer is Swami. Question number B. Who or what had the biter bitten into? And the answer is, the biter had bitten into the ankle, ankle of one of the notorious housebreakers in the district. Now let's talk about question number C. What happened to the person who was bitten? And the answer is, father, cook and the servant fell on the person who was bitten, and he was caught. All the answers are over, only long questions are remaining now, and they are here right now on the screen. And guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Gas Sol Education, and share my videos with your classmates, with your friends, and with all those people who are studying this book, because my channel must go viral all over the world.